10 incredible facts about dolphins. Dolphins, with their friendly smiles and remarkable intelligence, are some of the most fascinating marine creatures on the planet. Let's dive into a world of curiosities about these aquatic mammals. 1. Extraordinary intelligence. Dolphins are considered one of the most intelligent animals on the planet, capable of learning complex tricks, recognizing themselves in mirrors, and even developing their own languages. 2. Hemispheric sleep. To ensure their safety, dolphins sleep with only half of their brain at a time, allowing them to continue swimming and breathing. 3. Perfect echolocation. By emitting sounds and analyzing the echoes, dolphins can see the world around them, even in murky waters. 4. Intense social life. Dolphins are extremely social animals, living in complex groups with elaborate hierarchies and social relationships. 5. Experienced communicators. They use a variety of sounds, such as whistles, clicks, and squeaks, to communicate and coordinate their activities. 6. Sensitive skin. Dolphin skin is extremely sensitive and covered with a thin layer of mucus that helps reduce water resistance and protects against infection. 7. Agile predators. Despite their friendly appearance, dolphins are efficient predators, hunting fish, squid, and other marine animals. 8. Acrobatic jumps. The acrobatic jumps of dolphins are a form of communication and fun, as well as helping to remove parasites from their skin. 9. Longevity. Dolphin life expectancy varies by species, but some can live over 50 years. 10. Threats. Pollution, overfishing, and habitat destruction are the main threats to dolphin